So the purpose of this video is to explain some of the things that to be done when deciding and shipping a car from the US or to the US. It is recommended that you do research to see what shipping companies are near your area, the price or cost of shipping your vehicle, and how long it will take from that location to get to your intended destination. This way you know how long it's going to take you to get to that port or vehicle processing center to drop off your vehicle. Also, will you be able to afford the shipping costs? And lastly, if you intend on using your vehicle at that destination, how long will it take for you to get your vehicle so you can be mobile again? With all that out the way, next you need to contact that vehicle processing center or shipping company to schedule a time and place to drop off your vehicle. On the day that you drop off your vehicle, the personnel at the vehicle processing center or shipping company will be looking for a few things. And once you contact them to make the appointment, they should have given you either a flyer or some pamphlet or some information informing you of this. First, you're going to make sure that your vehicle is clean inside and out. Secondly, you want to ensure that your vehicle fuel tank is no more than a quarter of a tank full. And this is especially if you're shipping your vehicle overseas where the vehicle is going to be going on to a ship. Third, you want to ensure that your vehicle's insurance and registration is up to date. At the port or the vehicle processing center where you're shipping your vehicle from, these documents will be required. They will ask you to show proof of the insurance and registration. On the day you get to the port or vehicle processing center to ship off your vehicle, they will do an inspection to ensure there are no leaks, which means when you wash your car, you want to wash it adequate time enough so when you get there, there's no water dripping down from the car. Also, they will go ahead and do a visual inspection. They'll walk around the vehicle to look to see if there are any kinks or dents in your vehicle, as well as any chips or cracks in your windshield or mirrors. They will also, or they should also, take photograph of the entire exterior of the vehicle, and they should print this out and put it in your file, so that when you get to your destination, if there is anything on the car in terms of cracks, chips, dents that wasn't there before they get it, you can make a claim against them. The same should be done on the interior to ensure there are no burns or any tear or rips in the seats or any of the upholstering on the interior of the car. Also, there will be checks done to see if there are any outstanding recalls on your vehicle. So, ahead of you taking your car to drop it off, you should ensure that you check to see if there are any recalls on your vehicle and get them rectified before going to the vehicle processing center. And ensure that you have a printout also to prove that this recall, safety recall on your vehicle was taken care of. Once this vehicle inspection is complete and the vehicle passes the inspection and your paperwork is also complete, then a sticker will be placed on the window of your vehicle, either one of the side windows or the front window, or it could be the back window, with the code for the location as well as a code for the destination that the vehicle is going to, as is done with any cargo that is shipped. Once that's done, you can rest assured that your vehicle is on its way within a specified time that you're given. And once your vehicle gets there, you will also be notified by the shipping company that your vehicle is at the location that you need to pick it up at. And it's as simple as that. But once again, just like anything else, it could be very difficult depending on how much you prepare and how much research you've done. I did this twice. I shipped my vehicle from Guam to the US port in California, down in San Bernardino, and it cost me $5,000. I also shipped a vehicle from Fairbanks, Alaska to Washington State, Port of Seattle, and the cost was $4,000. Now, the cost depends on the vehicle make, model, the year, the size of the vehicle, etc. Once again, hope you learned something from this video, and I hope it was very helpful to you. Have a great one. Thank you. The vehicle is now in the inspection bay for